In this video, we will compare Odoo versus Monday.com. Monday.com and Odoo are very versatile platforms, but they offer different primary purposes. Monday.com is a work-operated system designed to streamline, team collaborate, project management, and task tracking. It provides an intuitive visual interface for managing workflows, timelines, and communication. It makes it ideal for a team that needs to track projects, tasks, and user-friendly way. It's highly customizable and works well in a range of industries, such as retail, to others. On the other hand, Odoo is a fully fledged enterprise resource planner with a wide range of modules covering everything from CRM and accounting to inventory and HR. It's more complex and comprehensive, suitable for businesses that need a centralized system to handle various aspects of their operations. While Monday.com excels at tasks and project management for teams, Odoo offers a broad scope of business management tools for many different companies looking to integrate various departments into a single system. Overall, Monday.com is a great choice if you need an all-in-one solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.